you just saw was a vulnerability published in 2024 Microsoft Outlook Remote Code Execution, CVE-21413. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ashraf, and today in this video, I share you a quick overview about the vulnerability and the proof of concept of how the attack could be executed. So stick around till the end, and without further ado, let's get into it. The vulnerability comes with a score of 9.8 and a severity of critical, and it affects multiple versions of Microsoft Office, including 2019 and 2016. So an attacker can abuse this by sending an email containing a malicious link, which is the Moniker link, to a victim, and this results the Outlook sending the user's NTLM credentials to the attacker once the hyperlink is clicked. But now let's just talk about the expected behavior. Outlook usually parses the hyperlinks such as HTTP and HTTPS and prompts a security warning. So it blocks things like macros, especially from outside the organization. So by using the Moniker link, we file // to this expression, our hyperlink, it instructs Outlook to attempt to access a file, for example, such as a file that it can be outside the network, for example, in a SMB share, which involves using the local credentials for authentication. However, the Outlook's protected view catches and blocks these attempts, as we can see here in the first line. So contrarily, in the second line, we have slight changes in the hyperlink or the Moniker link. We can see exclamation mark or special character that was added, and after it some text. It doesn't have to exist in the share that it will be accessed, but we can just add it so it can bypass the Outlook protected view and access the link. So we're going to see in a proof of concept how we can get the NTLM hash. So let's get into it. So I'm using for the proof of concepts published by the TryHackMe platform. I have here two machines, the attacker machine here, and the other side we have the victim machine. We have the Outlook affected version. We're going to open it. And in the other side we have the exploits. We're going to edit it here. I'm going to click nano. So for example, here we have just a quick overview about the script. So the script actually will send an email with the Moniker link that it will be clicked afterwards by the victim. So we add here the sender email, the attacker email, and here the victim's email. We're going to need a mail server to send the email. So here I'm going to use the IP provided in the lab. After that, I will need the IP of the attacker. So I'm going to type ifconfig. And I'm going to find the IP here. Going to copy it. Close this window. Don't need it anymore. And we're going to add the attacker's IP here. So when the victim clicks on the Moniker link, he will try to access this shared file, and then he's going to use his local credentials, specifically the NTLM hash, and that's what we want. So I'm going to save the file. We'll need another tool used to catch the NTLM hash. It's called the responder. Here I need to open another tab to execute the exploit. In the other side, I'm going to click on I don't want to sign in. So we need to just escape this window. I'm going to close it. Yep, I don't need to activate it. So here I'm going to execute the exploit. Here we added in the script a password. So as you can see here, the email is delivered. We can see it here. We received it in the victim's machine. We're going to open the email. And here we can see the Moniker link. If we click, for example, on this Moniker link, we're going to receive this message will pop up telling us that the address is not found. But in the other side of the attacker, we actually received the NTLM hash. So after that, we're going to just need to crack it, and voila, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.